This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, March the 2nd, 2014. And now our first look at the Zero-Z GFS model run. This is at noon today. We have that big vortex over Hudson Bay moving into northern Quebec and energy coming around the base of it. Another piece of energy moving through the southern plains. That's going to be taking a storm system and moving it south of the state, taking the snow with it. That'll be ending by the late morning hours as high pressure comes in from the north. Highs today barely near 0 in the north to near 10 in the south. Tonight it's going to get much colder, lows in the teens, maybe even 20 below 0. It will recover into the single digits and lower teens for highs on Monday with plenty of sunshine. We could see a little bit of snow, may just clip the state Monday night into early Tuesday, and another disturbance coming in late Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday night and early Wednesday, and the snowfall amounts from that look to be fairly minimal at best. Wednesday still looks rather cold, with highs likely in the teens to maybe 20s to near 30 from northeast to south and west, but you can see another disturbance moving in here, especially on Thursday. Winds turn southwesterly, so temperatures will be up from the mid-20s north and east to maybe near or above 40 in the southwest, with maybe some rain and snow mix type thing. Cold front comes in Friday. Unfortunately, that warm-up don't last long. Temperatures in the from about the mid to upper 20s north to maybe the mid to upper 30s south, with some rain changing to a wintry mix or some snow. And then next Saturday, the weekend, Saturday looks rather chilly, with highs in the 20s to near 30 with fairly calm winds. So we could also see some fairly cold morning readings, especially Sunday morning or Saturday morning, both mornings. You can see a week from today, you can see a flat ridge over the southwest, still a northwesterly flow around here, but the warmer ridge is going to try to win the battle as the height levels come up. So we'll see some precipitation to our north and northeast in the form of some snow, and temperatures maybe near or maybe slightly above seasonal levels. We can only hope so. Going into the extended period on March the 13th, we have a bit of a wavy pattern across the north, the subtropical jet across the southern tier of the country. And with this pattern and some energy close by, we may see a storm system with a little bit of rain to our south and east, a bit of snow to our north, and temperatures around the lower to middle 30s if this is to be correct. And then as we go into the end of the forecast on St. Patrick's Day, we have a flow coming still out of the north and west at this point. Big upper level feature over the north and east. And that could be a low pressure center just off of Cape Cod that could be producing a lot of rain or wind and snow there, with temperatures here probably at this point near or below seasonal averages for St. Patrick's Day. Satellite image from last evening, you can see the subtropical jet streaking across Baja California, Mexico, into New Mexico, and into the plains in the Midwest. That's with the snow that's coming through, and it'll be moving out later today. The watch warning map from last evening, you can see a lot of wind chill advisories and warnings to our north, some winter weather advisories in the southern tier counties south, with a bunch of winter storm warnings and ice storm warnings as well to our south. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday morning or Thursday evening at 6 o'clock, showing most of this precipitation is falling through today with very little in the next couple of days.